Alright, busua mo bibia kwa basonko sade mo ba. Araba kwantu odwumadi so, enen so biem ye de ehia kwa sonko so mene Nana Sikedwa Sia. One of the finest seers ewo Ashanti region. Me say ende e ba be di nkomo. E araba kwantu odwumadi wherever you find yourself, make sure say obebo mo de na wa share video no kwan sonko so de ama ye ba bibia wo bia na o ma ye hu. Na fe so de wotrimpo wadwempo e de aba. Na che say ya kenka de ama ba bia wo bia ma ye hu ba bia wo na intimi mbo adwumadi no. Afen so we are building a community or social and in the media and so intended video no yes and it anytime any day oba bomode I say ubejai comment after watching our videos and I feel so ube subscribe to our YouTube channel na bibia e kama o share e cha kwan e wo asenua and I say Meduma Abbas Junction and I feel so man ponting gas junction there I talk about the minya boss so idea boss what I say and I feel so you streaming live from FPN TV live from King Jesus or Fawade man ponting road if you man pon and eba your kwan so after ECG and I say KK papa we go me check kwan ho so and of KJT and eba after Kojo Abra na the next stop King Jesus and I will be a obi so bia obeba so be chere chapa na bia kama and then so bia me ba be din komo afa one world religion and a moon sense matters are rising. A lot has been going on. Answer na meko sia on na make I say dwumadi opese oba ye dwumadi so na say opese sia Nana Sikedwa Obowura abrabom odwumasem osikasem ubibie mu a 0599 055 9653 723 0559653723 na onena na dim komo na ka ba so ko right and so yedi ehia se na danda nyina ye kan no bosome ko na bosome aba afi no so ko na afi aba asa afi we ya ye afi a oje no ho sache me na pa ewo edwama so aman tinta no so aye hye udi agra wo ko ka asem na wano pa ye chew wano ampan so de obi hu tinta na so ena say say accident enya accident na say owo akukudam akase na ansa na hu say ya bro wetia Asante ahwere ade sabi watu ana na ana say okọ naja no ho no den kaka na betimi aka ndo me hu o menhia nse na
obade ase
right
the champion for yema yura nana ebo mu a sima da achia
right
tikoko so open so yema no ajo
right
na sere kwatintin ni nche shira bebiri so the man
sure
sere obade na no bambo man sure mu odin sei sere oso ni asase yankoni amwa se omonhya ne dem amkosum kura no maye
right
and okre abewa ko ekra nem se na otwe twa mu na otwe na mpanyimfo
egunhihya hodo so that's right
na china joy and ye abewa akwankwaja no pompon so pa
right
si na yawada enti ye bompa ye su sere se ejamfo nyina ye betimi aba asomdwem
right
le nyina asanko yemfie so asomdwem okesi yawada osi fiada se the question dance so etwamu a na the question da bio no 28 no then so asan ba bi share akwesibai
wow
it's very tough times indeed
that's true
so we na oche wasan bi share akwesibai so enye better na so
right
what dey na ma ho de no to me e kan ye ho na e kan mpanyimfo so no kan
that's right
enti ye dini bia no omukurem ti bia be bokko be research aga na mpanyimfo ni musuokio ya dofo mo be nyina
all right enko na right now we shall now bomadi na wa share video no kwan so ko so dia man na bia wo bia na face afoforo so enya bi ahwe na amanya ho mfaso no bi dia wonya na nya ho kwa na esa wonya no so enya bi ti na wadu gasa so thank you so
okay ti me yesere nse kwa mu bajo na obi biara oba no wetimi aba so bi no akwa so bi
yeah
nse benfo amenya no tie
right
say yawada akasa holiday ma schools na
okay
ne aban ma hodo
okay
na omo tre wase ne de yes wa ofifie na ekono ko na ko tre wi abre fie tem se ne be ya no nsia no ebe bo na ofie na nya fe na ode wase ebe yi ohu anu se wo ko tre ni abro so a no me nsa wa tre wi
abafie
na udimirika na okofie
that's right
se yi no so na we bia yi no abro so a no num na ya peja yi mo ti ya mo no nsia no fa ndo adu fie che fie so de na wo mpa bi abo se abro we koi okọ oba ade ho okọ ye na no ho so de ne bom mpa na wo asem hia bi ni asem bi ka wo dia fa mpa bu na wo de asre no se okoi on fa on so amani koi ko dan pen fo no ba de ma enu mo be yisra since obe ye ho ajaman na obe ye ho okukuru fo e bro so chen so na no nsia na mbo no so abo no matwa abo no ko na abo na oni na mabonten
that's right
adan ya se ko peka krebu enu de so mu a obia ni ba bitimi aka bia ma
right
yam fa san se ni adwuma
well
na bibia anya kama
enum se eba no amamre ni amanne a asante ntutu ne de ase
david
ye nuanom tribes ahodo a atwa ho ahia toto mo amanne ne mamarse ama ende asante ye bibi kura na mani bere asante na amoka nsem a ensem fata eriti asante se anye asante a na ye openso anye openso a na ze sikadwa ko fi chese nsem bebre den kakra na obetimi aka che ye nuanom so se omunsuya biko sikadwa ene openso abeni abenyina o sheda de ne de no oye ne yie no wasa da na di ama wiase nyina ehu nananom som ana amane na amambra nananom de gya no dia odi abeka nananom de ho ne se ne wasiesie ne nananom de no de kaka na betimi aka che ye nuanom a
no kwasem
aka
benfo bu bi to se edom
eniso
Elisa
okay that's right
ni na be say senka ye ba na bibi ma mu dia ye bi twa ye funuma amamre eni amanne
that's right
na ye no ye nim obo ade nyame dada ye nim odoma nkoma oboybore a obo ade nyina bo twedi ampon nyame kronkron kwa me ma ye no ye o ma ye nyame panyin no ye nananu ni mo no eno nti ye o adinkra ahyanson bi o ha ye frɛ no adinkra hene wo sha aye kanko
right
miensa ye be kan professor 3 circles
right and I yes na bina emu on
saa de na e wo ho saa de fe na adinkra hene so run the deepest meaning na e kire say onyankopon ofiri echirichiri sura ye nim ba bi ofiri ya obo ade firi sura de bebo asase bo asase ase kan ho no obo oni patuntum kan na omaye
black race
onyankopon omaye ne maniye ene na doma nkomasem ene ne nyankoponsem de kire no right tinke atuntum fo de enkanyankopon ene odoma nkoma no na bosine na bosuri na bodie ne nyankopon de ne maaye ne nyamisu ne nyankonse ne nyankonkon ne nyankonsuo die enkanim ni nyina enti aye den na eba awie ye no atuntumfo abibifo akanfo emusuakuo no dodo na to omo de agu
that's right
na ekuyo bi a omo no so omo de omo nto omo de engu no ombekọ so ekuram
omo de engu
modernization aba nyina no esoma hodo aba de be hye ye konwo de ye kofa ba ye oni nyina mu no still ye de no de
ye da sukram
ye nto ntwene ye de ka foforo na abeka ho ne ho ni aye ma na ye fa eno so ha obi
that's right
enti fa foforo na unya ye na oto wo de dada ntwene ye no fa dada no beka foforo no na ye ni nyina kama na enko we nya ndokwa we nya ndokwa
enti na efutu ben na odi be ma omo a omo ye yodium na ye de asante enim eye form twitwi form abeni nyina
nyame ka se de miminim ni se ewiase mu ayewe yesi nya udua no eno na wutwa
eno na wutwa
unkodua bode na emfifi nyini enhane na emfa ma na enkofa kwadu mada
that's true
unless say be nanim de kwanso no aye bibia frɛ no aye kan say cloning na so aye porting
okay
na say bode nkwa na obi a ya odi share form pa
bode na
hane de a bode na obitwa
that's right
de me person me kyerɛ de say say wo de abusua bi enton bi ahenie bi hanyini bi ni nim de na nim onyam a wanya etwitwiri form e wo bra wanya wo hwe ya ana wo meka wo a Bible pose ma wani ntra wani nton na ania tra nton ye nyankopon achiwade
that's right
o se ade anso na bikyire de di kan o kan ye ania tra nton enti se nipa na anya wo hwempo a wato obo ade nyankopon na obo wo no mbra ono obedi
that's true
na nipa no so san ye onipa o ye nipa kase ade na wo di ho fe no san ye ade kase a tumi ni hu anwode no san ta akire a fa hye otirim se ahonhom ni ntumi a etai nipa na chi etai adekoro na wo hu fi na chi no ene obedi
metumi asore so
enti emfa wo nkɔhye saa ne manim na hwɛ so bɔ wo bra na mu ani nkɔ de ade asoma no de ade ahyɛ nsan de wasu ehu na wo yɛ be ma wo nsa akɔ ana benya sika na wo so benya ba bi pa gina eno ne ade ehia ye ni to ye we bie no to nkyɛn a ye woni pa bi no wɔ hɔ a wo mo fidi nipa bebre
right
na wo mo fidi wo mo de bi nso tiri mo ɔde enipa no nka hwenkyerɛ ne but ɔno a betumi atete aba bi di wo abeku atwena
right nana
right
yenko na yenhwɛ eye ye papa apostle Kwadwo Safo na no yawada eno no so oto ane nananom na gyanom wo eno so de kaka na betumi aka papa no ye panyi bi ono so ye de ne fam ye but that's a Ghana yan so
mi ma na busu nyina
that's right
ma oba panyi a ye na natiase odimi si abusua no ne asafo no nyina so ba panyin oba hema
that's right
ye honorable Adwoa Safo Kantanka ye chiao enumre ye ma ya akọ ye ma hye de ani ye na Kwadwo Safo mba ni nananom ensew nom ne yerenom adwumayefo ani nipa a omodan na ogya omo akire nyina ye mo nyina ya akọ mo hye de sani a wo ka no wo de onim me ne waka papa ho asem bebre na nsen so kra nche adifo bebre so de ne ho asem betu dwa esan se 4 houses a ekuta Ghana no na oka ho bi one of the 4 pillars of Ghana
okay
ono ene ne sum na ewo ho no ne personality
e kwa nkroma
na oye 4th pillar entina die nanka meme ne wo se die tabia ye nkyerkyera meka no asem me no te ho wa no wa ya msika no asem de na me expect me say enka when it comes to science and technology and especially technology and engineering there nenka de me hwe no say aban abakro ne aban wo so enka on be handle sa aspect no e dia ma papa no say olma ye eba engineering and technology a
ye de show nsa
ye de nyina show nsa
san sponsor bibia
ya o pese wo ye bia ba bia pese o de fa bia no ye de sika ato ho etim ho tawachi fire science and technology kwa me kroma science and technology na si ho no Faculty of Science and Engineering and Technology no ulma ye de practical side ni nyina ma ye si faculty kese ba akwasi ho ne opese wo be kire wo ho bia ne opese wo de o ma no na no be ye wo bia before wo ye the next 10-20 years about technology about engineering about science ya aha na opese ye pese wo de o man no ene wo ma no na no eduru ma ye
direction of the Ghana ye pese de Ghana economy.
This to me and personally was what I was expecting from our political leaders.
Okay.
But and to me and master, even the brand Kantanka automobile ne grano, he fought hard. And I'm saying Nanado Abresuana como ding nem paibo hodo a course wa come to da or mine to me man to me crata. Ema ewiase nyina so timi gitum mu afi ne car no itimi di buy drama so afi onipa timi tobi etinem eno no dan chempo a na ka me expect say mo amwa na mfasa aspect na ama ne nyina chimpo no enka ne cars na model ne brands ne die enka aban bia de be ne priority say wo de ministries ahodo a etwa Ghana hashia no ministry bia ne beto ne car ne ba akọ edi ama wo mo de mo nko kra mo Toyota ne mo Land Cruisers ne mo BMW ne mfra buchiri mra but enka presidency ye beto ba akọ akọ ministries na etwa aban no hye nyina obi a benya ba akọ regional office bia beto ba akọ akọ as a sign to show appreciation for the man and to promote that made in Ghana brand na friend Kantanka. But as usual, I'm the say they be that
country.
They won't do that. Enti okwa onko asumdwem na asumdwe ni nachi, na asumdwe ni nanim. Na asumdwe so nka nachi. E wa busua ni ni asafunu ni campaign of Jan. Ma obonefo bia mesori wo mu. E be say de papa na bre atikyere si wo ama oman because brand ne de ene ne wa ha.
Right.
Abusua no so ne ne wa ha. Kristo asafunu so ne ne wa ha. Ti empese boni bia bebe mo bia nsori meye tutura asem ne ne ma nsem bia megu papa no kro ko no ehun fi megu na chi asa amaye.
Apostle Mapata.
The bredi bedru a Nyankopon na nanu be man obi a opesa be the face of Kantanka e bi mpo ba be ye de e ba be ya tra de
Chenso.
Olma ye ye.
Apostle Kantanka where the Apostle Mapata I say Apostle Kojosafo obi a nemre and aso na okọ but ebesan would be amanasan aba reincarnation
when me ayawe say me no disan komo no say me hu say obekọ no it's about 3 years ago but papa de Nyankopon adum left and right ntina oye na hombo aba de na ha no pa me nim say papa de call ye ne say ade na opeso oye mo man no amma ne kwan no mo so a omo amen na ma megye sa secret keys no
ene nim de ahodo
no person di ja oman no eno ne ade papa ya odeko nti mimi de na minim say obeko but na minim say me personally me mpa ya mabone ade sra masere ne enipa bebrebe so mo nim papa no ade sra ne say se ne tie bia no on sign bra na panyimfo gitum o soro so gitum nti say ye papa apostle amakwanta ka me de nyama de foforo na me didi na me gusunso bo ho mpaye ye ho adesere
right
so on sambra
yenhwe
no metu generation afọ mu be kunu de o jaaye no na oba beto aso we am my new years
may that say if you are watching, make sure you share the video for us wherever you find yourself. Share now for France to NB. Kindly give us your message, your opinion, your thoughts. As you say, now we are any kama yeti ha ma wo yan kwan intimi de dwuma de ni man nye enti se wo hwa na abo modern se na dan dan nyina ye no wo be share kwan so na afi yakoye ni na bibia ye kama nana ene so dan ene wo si kwan so emre na ekọ ene wo si kwan so de ma yende
ene bia me pese ye hwe the last stage of one world religion
Right.
One world government.
Right.
And New World Order.
New World Order. Let's have chaos, violence,
last week
wars,
Wednesday,
bombs, wherever. Parliament, and Tokahodo AC work. Other France, it's been.
And I know
that Brussels.
I heard I'm a country already, so nobody can Canada.
And if you see her, Boko tension or honey,
sir, near ma, Omo pese ewiase we no omo fan te se nwa no ye no osumase no
right
negative rituals ya omo yegu mmia ye akronkron mmia no ene de omo ye tia abibifo Ghana fo en ni titirimu omo ye tia sikadweko fini Ashanti Kingdom no yenso ene nipa panyimfo omo ahunu ye ntanse nkan anu ntum emma saa niema no emetwin fa yeso bio said about 400-500 years ago omo ye ya about 150 years ago finally ombe shi kumasi bending it down there yeso ya start ya reverse saa niema
right
na automatically omo na saa niema no besi wo mu krom na abo omo kro no ansana omo ankasa agenda omo pese omo de bo wiase no ebe ye adwuma ye adwuma
right
but ebe ye den so say ni nyina ebe ye adwuma because I told you last Wednesday said now America na ewiase ne kura na only di wiase nyina no e ko ye nim no
or mislead wiase no
ono wa misse
that's
the point no somewhere in 1940 41 to 45 they changed the pattern of the world from the right side na ne nam no to the negative left side, which is near Yankopon, any near Anunnaki gods na woman what the right template for Nipa any planet we no demand woman. Omo ni nyina near one kasa omo nananum abrofo a omo ne abibifo betena ye bekunu niema bebre a omo build a huge technological empire. The Nordics, any the Atlantis, no, any some part of Lemuria for no.
Right.
The Omodija Omunina, no, any blacks now, Omodi technology, any Yambisrochi, European American Inano. The Ombe inherited through Omodinano. Omod rejected. And Omoko J, the Draco star system for no wicked, evil, negative reptilians in the brain woman. And the Arthurians in the brain woman. No. At the end of the day, no, it leads you to chaos and destruction.
Right.
And at the end of the day, no, woman no pass as an agent. No one the omo robots, no cyborgs, omo reptilians are baby gusu. It is a one mistake now, be a sad on him. After what be show on once. Ni omo chira say ye no. No na say we ye.
Wanya de mra ho.
Wanya niema hum ni hunam no omo betimi de omo technology no power no ayemo ani mu wiase mo ni nje ho. Entina say omo bi so omo ha ye but omo no so no. Sa nkrofo no so kuta omo kwan chi a mo anya de mo ne omo agree ye na omo be say bibia because mo din ka ko handle wiase no over e de ama omo for technology and technology no so no anya technology papa bia say weapons of mass destruction
right
be ma so de na ye de ama mo na mo de ko no na a powerful technology a sen ko mu kure mu develop be duru sa mere ya enipa ene animdifo ana sa ahohom no eyi wo mu pie ene niema na mo invent ba no ene economic and financial plans o mo de baaye anka asat now we enka your machines and equipment bebre ya say be car bow kra ma uti kra ya ho a ye betimi di asan revival back to life na omodi niema bebre ya banka so obeda so na yesi malaria chew yesi malaria kum obi yesi a pandemic bi apie enka sabre ya ka say enka ye bi ni ye planet we so no omodi financial and economic arrangements bi aba na friend the Sarah and Gesara. As at now, I wanted that document to call UN. omujitum but enam sa draconian reptilians presence nti na we say yesan bogu because na nka asat na ya yewa yi nka every citizen of this earth busumi bia na wanya hwe kura no nka $1,000 to $10,000 bi die nka busumi bia go account so me fa ho ni kura wo so e wasase so
na se de o kan nyina hye se enno a ye call menhia hwe abakwasema hodo a nananom atro na ye bo open so ne nana safo kantanka ne mpanyimfo nyina aba so na am sa abakwasem de opepa enye yi aye se tro konkon no ya adati wono what I say what is written is written o hwe abakwasema abrofo ba bibre mu ha ebeto hye nananom so beje ye mu ho nema gudi ahodo chese nema hodo bebre
powers ahodo
ena omusa kunye nananom abibifo ye kunye ankasa enya semketwa and ni nyina nkoda no about some decades and more they are still on destruction path ena mo kunipa by war by any fair means pandemic by whatever
famines.
Why are we here and where are we heading to, Nana?
One important thing and then the person may clarify my obi a wo hwe me any obi biara video yi as times goes on obe pounce on it obehwe omo be count to three mu say omo ba ye no na yen abi before yen nim nyame na yes ye nananom som bonsam na bonsam no yetuntum a owa beben mienu very good na bonsam no oyewudifo odiagu okunipa osei nipa onfa nipa enko baabi pa e wo bra wote ase ene bra wo bewu wu a odo beko onu ni jemu a efe ni bonsam jemu na wo mo ya brofo no wo mo na omo ye nyankopon obo ade no kore no na omo na omo nimu no na omo na oye omo ye nasefo enti wo mo na omo de omo nyankopon no oye no kore nyankopon no a ompe nipakun ompe mojakanguo ompe oseye ompe so obi ahụ bekere no ompe so obi bewu no akobo nsam jemu akwahwashinti yanyi wo mo ene wo mo nyankopon na oye fita te so wo mo ndi na ye nyankopon na oye bo nsam no no oye tuntum no na enunti wama yesoma ye be som no na ye abosomsom no na enunti ye wu a ye bekobo nsam jemu no omo nyankopon na timye yen efrim. That was a message of the Bible. And then ananum ebinum gidie no started say omo jai omo somo no. Omo nsuma no ma honhom no ma nyame no mo ntumi e den bo omo ban. Abrofo started say omo ojiko. Do omo ankohye na kwanhwe.
They okay woko opimmanshia museum ho na e wo ho tro konkron. Ye de ball osei tutu ye nana the born a suni ade nyina history na e wo ho no so we are not wrong
enti omo wie ye no ana ya yaje mo atomo awi
so mami ba o mpacho we ansa me ba ho no ansa na kosikoko de sa chokonko na eba abebo nana ene me kan say ye bibifo ye bebo yesu the perception was ye dia yesum no ye ade a enye ena mpesa mu
fetish
but ye de no so ye de a ye de jan wo de wo nananam de bibi sonko ajaw but kwesikoko afa kwezi kwan e de bible e trokonkon e de abedada ama wajaw wo de no osom no ato baabi ena wo de kwesikoko de kwa na ye adwuma but ende wo ko menhia nana opemso o say tutu ogun samane nananum fe nananum abribia at the same time so kwa sorry ekosom den kaka na obetimi aka na wabeto a odi they are on kanaso
elia ono because say die broni dia babia ne die wiase ne dia babia ya de fofora aba wo abusuam ne onton ne mu no fa o de na edija wo ne ka ho
right
na ye nyina bom na ye ma ne nyefe esan say die ye die ja wo no se ehu ni mfaso a ehu hia ma wo woni wo moja ewo asase yi so a enka nyankopon ko amana ama be ka monsa
that's right
na abusua biara ne nipakuo biara ne ahenia biara nso ne ɔsom ne tumi sonko a ɔbɔade Nyankopɔn de ma wɔ mo. Tumi biara nso wɔ n'akadeɛ ɛne n'amammerɛ ne n'amanneɛ ɛne n'akyiwadeɛ ne n'apɛdeɛ a ɔwɔ a mo a yɛde ama mo no ɛsɛ sɛ mudi so na moyɛ ma no. Ɛno nti na yɛ nananom nim sɛ tumi ahodoɔ a ɔbɔadeɛ de ma wɔ mo nyinaa no ɛfiri ɔno ɔbɔadeɛ twɛdi ampɔn ne hɔ. Na ɔmo nim sɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa no ɔdoma nkoma ma ho kwan sɛ twɛdi ampɔn ɔbɔadeɛ Nyankopɔn no ɛmfa mma yɛn ansa na ɔmo nsa ɛka. Enti na ɔmo treat no as treasure and as a precious treasure. Ɛno nti na ama yɛ nananom ahemfo no ne manhyia titiriw no a preserve saa deɛ no a treasure no asom adi amammerɛ ne amanneɛ ne ɔpɛ ne akyiwadeɛ no so aba bɛsi saa bere no.
Right.
Wogyae saa nneɛma no a na so wobɛyɛ ne biara sɛdeɛ adɔfo no yɛ ɔmo deɛ ne biara no a chaos ne distraction ɛbɛba abɛsi mo mu na monhu mo ho ano bio sɛdeɛ ɛsi wɔ abibimam ha aman bebree so no.
Right. Wohwɛ their AC or Egypt, say Egypt, that is Libya, Yekun Gaddafi. We say after Gaddafi exit, no. Libya say
Libya is gone.
Libya is no more Libya as we used to know. Yeah, the sun, remind countries I hold South Africa, Nelson Mandela. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, bomb I hold I told ya, Antimi Kwame Nkrumah Kenya. Adaromanti na fe etu ahodo ye na afi ekodu baby na say e poison obese me na be say poison na Kwame Nkrumah kakra gradually na fe ode koye Bob Marley preaching African gospel you in some organization about waking Africa waking us ni nyina kosikoko sidabi akwa we nyina fi wono ma obehadwen
obema the agenda no
apaska ni nyina omo abomodin ya kakra I wipe all these leaders Haile Selassie Ethiopia to say ya wipe omo nyina ko enende aka yen and me dem den nyina meka say omo aye wo omo ende no ye nananom a
omo koye
na Mosaba Captain Ibrahim Traoré now he is the Kwame Nkrumah of Africa and nema oye no ebro adwen ntia so na yeah, their AC changes. How do AC nyina? What do we have to do as Kobe-Bini African? Then I will say yes, see as the world is changing, climate change and everything. Then
advantage ba kwa ye won say. Emrani bebre ni ehihye ni bebre wo ho a. Enyanya compulsory ewo wiase na enyanya compulsory ewo Africa ha agendas na omo aseti ne bebre wo ho a yenyanyi ntomu globally na enyameye 100% forceful on us. That's the only chance I was sabre. Chance no ne say I was that ye chance here na ye develop mechanisms and technology ahodo a one ye betimi de asha ase a regain in agricultural sector na ya back to organic farming and organic living tam ni nkosa nyama no nchichiri ye bibiri sa
tam ko ye se na o kan no say
your chance kakra bi
yesu nyina say so agriculture na even then
afi ye wo chance kakra bi a ye betimi asande a restore yen water element na etwa Ghana ho ahia no we have that chance. Number 3 ye wo chance ya yan kase ye betimi a build our own technological systems. We are building our own Ghanaian and African satellites.
Right.
Now, yes, our chance here. You bet me as I are building our own economic and financial structures. So I need my 4 weeks. ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ paramount a wɔsɛ Ghana ɛne abibifoɔ Cobra Key Kobibini wɔsɛ yɛtumi yɛ ɛfiri saa 2025 yi ɛkɔsi 2030 ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi yɛ. Number 5 ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhunu sɛ Africa ne nyinaa no especially Ghana no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛbuilde massive building infrastructures yɛde hyɛ yɛtiri mu sɛ tam bi bɛba yɛn abibifoɔ yɛasefoɔ a ɔmo scatter around the world ɛne wɔn nso so a genuinely ɔmo ankasa fa ɔmo passport ɔmo tutu kwan to Ghana ne Africa ha kɔ amanɔne no they start to prepare say they will come back so we have to make accommodational arrangement for them because sani etie biara no efiri afi we nkosi 2030 33 to 2044
eje so amanɔne
no the blacks can no longer stay there. Majority will come back.
If the kitchen is hot for you, you exit.
And Abrofo Nankasa will make sure say they come back to Africa. I started Germany, UK, Spain, even US. On 1 year breeding per se. Fine, more I mobile slave era more. But omo person omo go through omo archives ni omo immigration system ni database ni. Na wo a una nanom de passport na through plane free Africa. Ebe duru Europe die ni America die. Yes, I'm a comedy.
You are immigrants.
You are immigrants. Monsanko.
You are invading their space for jobs.
And they are no say. Obiwa kansa me boa ni na won hwehwe. Paris.
Yep.
In the last 2 weeks. Last 2 months. Last 3 months. Last year coming. And especially 3 this week. Monday I had been seen request your day. It's just a Paris.
That's true.
Since I'm a share kakra live feed kakra me share YouTube name other channels be no. Na me nso ankasa na gudjem. Me hu bi da.
Bombs ahodo eto.
Bombs ahodo. Petrol bombs. Fire you can say arsenals. Police for soldier for above barricade. But these people were bold enough to throw at them petrol bombs. Heavy fire arsenals. A form say na a blast na police for ni dan be did that form. That's been says you nyina no. Enipa be treat me town that's been not with. Engure e wo mu dudu nyina no omo ato
e dey call police for.
Na akọ police for no with omo ayina omo protective glass no. Na bo omo agu form na ngura ne de wo bi apete agu omo ho.
Is it?
Now police for no chi onipa ba ko a enipa be say 50 e be san ba be yiri police ni na bo no omo age omo nipa de ne ko. Everywhere in Paris as at now is in flames.
That's right.
Ninyina say every migrant should go back. And Macron aye adamant what turning deaf ear to one request no for a long time. Just they almost say Macron cry you as man penini. Only the party ninyina no they don't want them omonko. And he said omo ye we no na e ko nanimu a na obi enu otimi ko adwuma Paris. Now you're black crowd there. Who down the ground underground was some question.
Right.
Because baby omunam someone who said blacks.
Oh,
home dia omubo refugee.
You're calling for arrest.
Sounds na course with UK. Na starting with US. And unti prepare so we beba ukro as bibini. But these things will force you to come
to exit.
And he said nipa no bomb say one plane one aircraft and the nipa 300 bomb one ba Ghana ha
for be quite the can ba
aban no preparation be no why to accommodate them.
I think aban a lot of preparation from Yenana Akufo-Addo so am preparation
buildings do was saying Banglos do do saying.
Mama
Sagrame na you say you would ye.
sure. And they are cry. And they are news everybody say Nigeria for 14. Yeah, I deported from US. Yeah, I'm a Ghana. I'm a president so I want to Sudan for so Dodona and a Ghana for so Dodona you deported from US. Yeah, Pamo. I'm a Ghana, my penny.
We no need Yamaka say, woman crowd, or more, you can say, or undocumented migrants. But the own person, a binding bora ye, one more documented migrants. Or minor Casacrajo, or more as citizens.
To me, it's a ultimate Tanaha.
Yeah, Jumaucha tax more ban, oh, yeah, France need, oh, yeah, Germany need, but oh, yeah, baby need. Oh, yeah, Abia. Saudi Arabia ni a hono no mo pesa ba ni bora
tie kla mo nyina
a hono so pesa that means UN convention no one breaking protocols no and abrafo no do say a how mo ni nyina e din so mo betime bora sa area no also na wo mo manfo na say mo monwura yam pese e be hu bibini bia o de passport anasa visa and the ba krom ha wa ba benya citizenship wa on ye nyina to my way.
Right.
That means as time goes on, more blacks will come back to Africa. And buildings do do say yes, we yanka say Ghana and Kenya nya dan be in Huntington.
That's true.
A dining so as they say e wo ho no. Single room no, ne boarding no. When yes campo na o dey high
and I had done an apartment.
And as you say, crowd, a single room, they are down a single room apartment. And you obi a yabona wabano. No one for capra man. A buy no ordinate for how many months? Now, obey integrity no society in one. Obey Juma Bain, no Benyska has a single room self contained at the price of 5,000, 7,000. Is that possible? So are we preparing for all these things? But we have some 5, 6, 7 years to prepare these 5 things.
Okay.
And yes, sir. And near my urban, we can't contain it. Bebre no so jane na bebre no so be say jane persecution and urban when it comes to religious aspects. Religion so the abrofo no omo abrofo no white na nkasa no. Religious persecution so the dodo na so beba African because omo started ba. Dodo na started just citizenship. Yeah, man pen that before the time guarantee bebre and yes black Americans white omo nyina but more is coming and more will come. E no to nchanya the presence of new world or than one world religion and so is driving most of whites to Africa because they don't feel safe, they don't feel okay in omo krom systems na abrofo no abuild no.
So what do we do? Abrofo na amo pamo ye feel krom na amo ba no. Yeah, then what do we do?
Yeah, as Africans we know ourselves. It will be difficult for us to send them back. Say, from those persecution. Because he started black Americans, blacks no move free. And today, the said, Omo in numbers here. You're very rejected one. A preparation I was here because a prophecy at the home. And Sunday also is here. Now a child was said the Anunnaki gods now omono ye a bit before. Yase for na ye nyame pa no omumba. And last week in the country before said they say draconian reptilians no. Or many Arcturians, no, and it's alien cyborg robot race, no, or many brea as we no. Omo ne America for na nkasa ne Europe mpanyimfo na omo yamanfo na omo di wiase no so no. Omo biggest problem na omo biggest fear they say. Omo hunu owiem all the planets, especially around the sun. Say Anunnaki for no spaceships are landing.
Anunnaki, once a name of Africa, a bit of Africa. So does it have any link and any connection to the AC?
A connection to it, because the entire way you listen to say, omoye niema no say some negatives we no. Embassy Africa, na mubu ya pre, no munya kwan monwuram. No monfa omon systems ni bebre e make put in place a. Na ade na sa na omo adane ade no. Omo ma enipa bebre omo Africa ehu sa niema no yi kirem ne nisuade hunum. Ebinum so enya personal encounter with them.
Right.
No ma kirem say na abrofo no ye. Ti mo so mo mpa say munya mamere we mu kwa nkoye we. Na ampa na ade na reverse. A reverse na akohiti omo krom. Simply because Africa no and the only stage ya niebe so wiase nyina no e wo se eye safe. Na Europe ni Middle East ni Asia any America no obi dwane a obe find refuge e Africa.
Wow. So it makes me say enuntina share my ahodo a ekoso wo Israel ene Palestine ene Gaza and popros no ebi entimi mba ha na
ebi ntimi mba because one kasa ni nim say one more try severally but omo hyehyɛ ade na say drag wo mo so omo hyehyɛ na say drag wo mo so maka no ha about a month ago say powerful four archangels be a omo bedi dwuma ma Africa and omo nyina so ni nyina wo manhia.
Right.
Ani ehwe ani musenka 2027 ene nka omo nsi form matana ka say miensa ene wo mo team asi form a obie ni wa wote ase obie ni onim de nti omo asi form.
Right.
And they are working though official ceremonies and rituals also nke yede welcome woman activate woman official start duty no yenye but almost form.
Right.
Home ni ntumi akase a omo free Africa akọ Europe omo san call back to other planet other space over there 500 years 900 years 9,000 years ago they are all here.
Right.
Ebinum aba omo respective mountains ahodo na omo tete ebinum aba underground pyramids na omo tete mu asat na ya me no ka say this is telling obi biara o he me say that final battle no between the white race and the black race, the Anunnaki gods and the other planetary gods no is very very close.
Right.
And whatever it takes a prophecy that was said Africa and for that matter the south of the globe there it should be safe and the most safest for refugees all over the world to come.
Right. Emina I bia na sa enche be so dwumedi no so mesese wo hwa na obomode na wa share video na ma yakwanso nkoso ma foforo nya bi ahwe na afi so wo de wo agyenche na wotimpo no e de aba ma yakenkan de ama ye be so dwumedi no so a enche na sabri me pese wo do wano be si wo one word no na ya ye BBCC ampacho nti ya enye se wo wrap up na
Dear me pese me di twa to wo sa niema boni we ya abro ni fita no ene na pamfo pese omo yetia ewiase ni nipa ewom omo ankasa ni ma na omo ye no they don't care about omo ankasa omo nkrofo abrofo fita no omo de omo ye mu nyina ne abibifo nyina no ye mo afra but tem bia no omo first target eye abibifo ne abibimam ha no omo ya na fa nti se ni de omo ye no Europe because abibifo nso ebu Europe ni America any Middle East ni Asia no dawson nti se de omo ya to afa ba bia
right
fine. And until we hear nipa or hemia. Yes, sir. Oh, America. Now we didn't say. We are trying to say me. Fashion with him say. If you say a few weeks, 2033. Europe crowd was Subiara. America Krobia State Bia was Subiara. You are not safe and you will never be safe. And fashion with him said, oh, wow, who over Ghana.
Ghana and Africa.
And Africa Krobia of this. Who are young Kobini, Onyebia, or ye Bibinia, Fabrofo, Catcheren.
Right.
So say na, Sia, Manasika, S. No, so Konu. No one could see our bra a conya.
This is another protest at Ecosoa landing and they are massive. Massive.
The same protest now so called Paris. But Paris the other day, a Danny a jack, a Danny flames. A near peaceful view.
I mean, I be sorry so now. They say, Apostle Joseph on the 11th.
Yeah. September
2025.
Yeah.
When you're age 77.
Yeah.
What link does it have? I can't bet me a kafa then it's a code no.
Nami before Nami knew Dean Comobi. Nami can't tell us a few way. A sika 4 and yet 3 celebrities, superstars, billionaires. Or more 2025 and also Sanafibia.
That's true.
But Hokra Namaka Samia, Reverend Shapiro.
Shapiro.
Or you're one of the biggest men.
Right.
Well, now, one morning in a push or more dates now. Either 3rd of the month or 9th, 11th. 16th, 17th, 18th, 21st. Sa range we ni sa. Ohwe omuwo no so age omunya ya 77, 88, 55, 66, 44, 43, 33. Sa range na 1177. 11 numerologically a master number from number 1 to 9 a life path numbers a single numbers but number 11 a master number number 22 a master number 33 master number 44 master number 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So numbers when you know it is called the numbers of the ascended masters.
Ascended masters.
I'm
feeling I'm ascended.
11, you know. I did become 77 Naturally said, indeed, he was a master person before he died.
On his own. He was a god on his own. Yes.
And a god, an ascended master on his own before his death. And so, Obi, I hate our numbers we are. With the presence of 77, actually say, it is still left with 2 other numbers to hit number 9. Numerologically, life partner in 9, and they're the highest and the powerful and the biggest number.
9.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this year, 2025, we so the spiritual number is 9. And this is 77. That means the possibility said spiritually, we are perfect master.
Perfect master.
We are perfect God.
Perfect God.
In his physical being. And sana all to the spiritual states of being. Apostle Joseph excellent. or a perfect master.
Perfect master.
And there are 2 remaining, 8 and 9. So it means to say, with that perfection, he can come and complete whatever assignment we are related to. Nia or Babaya, you know, so Obaba San completing in the highest dimension. Amas as he need pie was new years.
Wow.
Now I complete number 9 at the Amam. And 11, you know, as a master number no, also stand for Elohim.
Elohim.
Oko Hinduism the number of Lord Shiva.
Number of Lord Shiva.
Oba in Luciferianism the number of Enki, the number of Lucifer.
That is Illuminati.
The moon, white, pure, always and ever shining bright.
Right. I don't know. I mean, I be understand. Yeah, sorry, you made it so show me now about 8, 9. Then and I can't wait now. We boss na tell. Yeah, they are sorry, you made it so.
Yeah, the person made it. To ashafo nyina anim ne sɛ Nyankopɔn twɛdi ampɔn kwame.
That's right.
Ɔsorosoro ni no.
So ne ya we konkon no.
Ɔdoma nkoma no. Na ye nananom enim no. Ɛsom no. Ɛwɔ ne kwan a ɔde maa yɛn bibifoɔ, ɔde maa yɛn akamfoɔ, ne kwan a ɔde maa yɛn sirimufoɔ, frafrafoɔ, bisasefoɔ, ne kwan a ɔde maa yɛn anwonafoɔ. Ne kwan ne som ɔde maa yɛn nkranfoɔ na yɛ nokore na yɛ pɛ na yɛ papa deɛ maa abibifoɔ ne akamfoɔ ne asantefoɔ ne aborɔfo ntɔkwa emu yɛ den a yɛgu so kon na ɔmo ani abere dendenden besi nne no sɛ yɛ nananom no anyi wɔn mo antomu da sɛ wɔn mo ne the true sons of God. And they are our gods. And you know, we should worship them quite as our gods.
Wow.
Obi piara worship me, I was say, someone make him a buano. And they know we are still your buy, no, on kind book be an on kind of Bia. Now, whom so only my way. Some talk away in the basin there. And no one did not so am or more force to say one religion in Marano. Saa de nya ba na a concrete na a cement belief and imposement on us say they white are the true sons of the Most High God and they are our gods, so we should worship them.
Right. I think say we
then another one just idea nantum enti fa all means say ye be hye ase but omo antimi enti enne say wo hemi na wo no de wo Jesus ya wo ye de ne bere ono broni na wo adwene ye say ono ne the real Jesus Christ na ene wayira bonidin Jesus na but wa adwene no ani so no fa onipa tuntum mfonyini e hye ho man.
Imagine the black Jesus.
Very good. In mind. Them did that before. And you told that. So, Kwasi Bruni Fita or no di Barbara Nyame no bre wono. O tani ba ya no asan becho na nanu repu omo. O tani ba no asan becho na nanu nyina akoda no omo nkoa.
Chom pray.
O tani ba ya na o sen fa wo na nanu me mato. E wo na nanu ne wo nuanu anu mo sa abre na nim. Nyankopon surusuru ni no Bible no o detest sa act no ye chiwade ne mumuyo de e bo man ma no ti omba ne ba bia anye sa de we bi ntanase emfa meye nyame da
ena kwasikoko na nso nim se ye nananom a omdi omokonkwasom so ye chiwade de mom enso kwasikoko sheda ye sa de no we nananom anim
e wo mo fi
bo samuso
pre wo ase e de ya ho ni hu ni suro e hye mo nkora nkitenkitena na mo wo sa abre ne nim enti omukum panyimfo nyina wiye no nkwala na from do mo ye hard labor no na fe obia suro that trauma no da so blacks on one American mu besi ne cause e ye moja enti nyintum da because ujitumupe we defeated as a black person. The media will be our him.
Right now, yes, also be an person who can be chair union my share and then a year shall say, Yenana, a court across the Dick and Kayano. I put to bed at the Bama for open so Ama yet as I said, Sabri Yaqui in idea will be with me
about a share
and I feel so about a brain, I was a structure not for time we any time we need Bribian in the air and indeed a put to bed at the Bama for no beyond for Yabia.
Yeah, me de ebe jai na ne say. Ye pe ye mpo. Ye gidi o ye nyini o. Se ye wo sombe mu, ye wo sombe mu. E som biara abrofo ne nkrofu kuya hodo de ba Africa ha na mi Kumasi ne Ghana ha no. Ebe to ye nananom amamre ne amane ye Juda som. Number 2. Jidie biara fa owo ni aye hu biara ne hye biara fa ho ande yasua ye de bo ye ho safo hene no ebeto aye yo na ye nananom ahyehya ato ho
right
senia woti ase o wonti ase o etie biara no oba panyini oda ahinie anu biara kwa amamra ni amane ye digya no kwa no e different from obi biara obewu wo saa ahimanim anase ahinni okronim
right
nti se o man hima firi mu a kwan be fa so be gya no kwan different from adehia mu wo saa even oba ahima no kra ebusuam enti we ye the Ashanti Empire, the Ashanti Kingdom, the Ashanti Confederacy of all the Akan tribes and all the Akan families and all the 33 tribes of the Hebrew ancestral race ya ewo wiase nyina no yakonya kase ne ahindie kase ne ahiman kase ye nananom nyina tena ase honhom fa honam fam ene omanyame no omuntumi nyina beka bom ade chichiri si ho ma ye de before ene osorosoro ni no ye tamu apam ene ye mfa ahodie ne ye nkunimdie ene Ashanti Kingdom na esi ho nti ye nyina ya berewa ena okọ nti adwene pa ne akoma pa ne obuo ne anidie biara a wose ye di gya no pa no biara o heme forget so ye nkrani o ya ngunani o ye nzimani o ye kusasini o ye dagombani ye nyina ya berewa because before na ne ye ba no na ntitimu ni emu ebesi na ye urade onhu ntitimu bia wo saa enton ahodo American ojiwo mu nyina bomba akose nyina yade ba ko ofikesi wo menhia enei na se de ne ye kan nkrofo bi peso mu tum futuro gu ni ba ni ntino omo create sa division no but mo bi anyi ntum ye nyina ya berewa na ekọ no ye nyina ye nhye tuntum na ye nyina ye nwura muadadiem ne ye mfanya berewa kwan na enhye biara de go ntitiru ya wada yesi mo bi am ye store mo bi am emfa ne ntoma ne nkuku ni kaka se wo kodwuma koton ade cars a mo beye adwuma apesika yesi ma mo nya adwuma se wutu car na ne wu frifie akwa yi na se bi ebi a wo ye bus driver ne bi a ohini bi nbakuo bi community bi aboa mo ho a mo kwa yi ni bi ene mo kwa amapaki mo kwa yi mo yi ase mo wi a makofro mo tumo kofie
come baby
be stress obi anfa sanhye ne adwuma
right
so say convoys ankasa kra be kurum dan cars kochia e be san ye program for amaye na ye mfa sa anidie twato no eja ya bere wakwan na ye wura so enya anidie se de be ya onti boni bia wo ne manfo ho e we ye we
be ye na wi asomdwe
esi na we ko ye we na car we na ye adwuma na copying convoy we na de ye wura pese o kra bia ho betechima
right
ti mfa sanhye ne adwuma obo ade na no mhye obi a Yahusha Mashiach and Dino, and you can see what the man we are seeing now.
No, what number? Now, yes, you made it.
0559
right
653
0559 653
723
723 0559
653
653
723
723
and now says 0256
0256
99 83 52
52
Meduma Abbas Junction, we see a friend, better me come Ponting Gas Junction, we see a friend, baby. Upesi yeshia yehwe ni memma ho wo abrochire mpo na pese ye hwe ne mema wa obetimi afre wo pese wo ba na me de ko me health center so ne hwe wo whatever problem bia wo apomdin nsem so a ye be hwe wo oba de kan nyina
but that's it na ye so edwumadi nso na make I say nyame adoma 3rd October all road leads to Asojama Enumboso. Yes, Kokonte Cruising dwumadi sonko a youth no ahyehye kwa sonko so anyame kese meda so bi na make I say o hwe me baabi a wo bia wo kuma se wo tema wo akra wo ashama Ghana fana baabi bia wo bia abrochire mpo na wo na wo team na wo ye gwani anase wo ye busuni wo ye ofi Enumboso on kamewa kaka bia mi bia me etero sere Kokonte Cruising ambre amafo nji 3rd October to 5th October 3rd 4th 5th October makase Kokonte Cruising aboso community center Daniel bo gidi maso me eche wasre 3 aspo na 3 na ne kana be ne be so esibi rokwa bo kama me na skwala ngwe nyame aduma da se be be sanso bio ndase